The median sold price in September 2024 was $400,000, and this report, it's up to $425,000. It's Friday, October 3rd, 2025. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker-owner, reporting from the Eastern Shore of Kinetic Realty. This is the weekly Maryland Eastern Shore report. Buyer activity remains steady on the shore. Wicomico County buyer activity is high. Worcester, Cecil, and Queen Anne's counties are moderate. Dorchester and Talbot counties have steady activity. Caroline County is slow, while Somerset and Kent counties are limited. Homes for sale on the shore have stabilized at 2,256 units for sale, but the median price this report remains at $450,000. List price. 121 homes will be coming to the market. 216 homes went under contract in 36 days at a median $379,450. 250 homes sold in 34 days at 96.1% at a median $375,000. Homes for lease rose to 155 units at a median $2,200 per month. Got questions about your specific circumstances? Give me a call and let's talk. That's your weekly wrap for this week's Maryland Eastern Shore report for Friday, October 3rd, 2025. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. I'll see you next week. Take care.